take care, I mean.
No. Suntem în concediu.
I mean, now I'm talking to you.
Yes.
Don't destroy them.
No.
Vorbește cu mine, adică să nu vă distrug.
Because we have several actions to do tomorrow.
Mâine avem foarte multe acțiuni împreună.
Ce-ți-ai fi planificat?
Nu știu, eu știu ce și-o fi planificat el.
Să facă berbecuțul.
Băi, e întreabă. E întreabă.
Lasă, vedem, e surpriză.
We have some surprise for us. Action we have tomorrow, and she said it's surprise.
Who says it's a surprise?
Masa festivă.
Not something important. Just, I mean, we will celebrate in a Greek way.
Nu e ceva foarte important, dar vom sărbători în mod grecesc. Da.
I want just one thing from you. That you have to dance with us.
Oh.
This what I want to ask you if we have... Are o surpriză pentru noi, dar să nu ne audă că nu dansăm.
Uite, nu, așa, dansurile
This is it.
tradiționale. Ce să dansăm?
Păi dansuri grecești, păi cum?
Nu, românești.
Dar trebuie să ne...
Mai este obiceiul ca la dansurile grecești să se spargă parcurile.
We broke the plate.
Actually, we will use plastic plates. And this is why I know that the Romanians are similar crazy than Greeks, you know, that's why.
Hai că nu le știi pe românce?
He said you don't know the Romanian woman.
Yes, as well. As well, yes.
Sunt gospodin.
So I have to say I'm surprised from, I mean, the Romanian hospitality.
E surprins de ospitalitatea românească.
This is the reason that I almost I'm visiting Romania minimum 3 times a year.
Asta este motivul pentru care vizitează România de minim 3 ori pe an.
But this during the winter, because the summer I'm busy.
Dar înseamnă că vine singur, de asta cunoaște foarte bine femeile.
My husband says that you come alone. This is the reason you know very well the Romanian woman.
I'm talking on that time when I was single. Not after.
Vorbește de perioada când era necăsătorit.
Eu n-am înțeles decât că te cazezi la singur.
He understands only that you go to single room in the hotel.
Nice question.
Bună întrebare. So, very nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like it then?
Very nice. Very nice.
The chairs and the service, outside the mess, then after Jesus Christ rise up, no, this, the bombs there, There is a, I will say this one, there is a, in Ireland, I think it's in Ireland Syros, I'm not sure, but there are, on the town there are 2 churches in the 2 parts of the city. So, they are making by themselves something like rockets, but by themselves, and they throw from one church to another the rockets. It's amazing, this thing, you know. They are having several, I mean, actions. This also in the church. It's nice.
nice.
Oricum îți mulțumesc.
Also here the priest, he's doing well. My father is doing the church services.
Yes.
You know, there are people that are going there, working for the church for free. To the church, he's there, you know, helping in the church. But he's always there. When the church is on, he's there. As a becoming rent now, he have time.
Yes. Tatălui
E pensionar.
În timpul liber merge la...
merge de bună voie face serviciu. Da.
If you enter in the church there in the right side, there are people that are for the church services, collect the money, you know. My father is there.
Nu era de aici domnul care
Da.
He's going also with this.
Noi ne-am luat bani și ne-am făcut așa, dar a trecut repede cu ficția aceea.
Ne-a fost rușine.
Da. Nu aveam bani la...
Dar cred că ne-a recunoscut.
He is out of business now. He doesn't care here. He don't have nothing, I mean.
Tatălui a construit hotelul. El este a doua generație, cum ar veni.
But
Dar
he created it.
s-a retras, deși el se ocupă de biserică, este liber, nu se mai implică de
Mai vine pe aici câteodată.
Da.
Χριστός Ανέστη!
Αληθώς ο Κύριος. Όχι, πες το ρουμάνικα. Χριστός Αμπιάτ. Χριστός Αμπιάτ.
Χριστός Αμπιάτ!
Adevărat înviat! Adevărat înviat!
Adevărat înviat!
Yeah. This is my mother's sister, the sister of my mother.
Χριστός Ανέστη!
The oldest. Păi, să here, te mă așa pe un cosmo. Ne.
Χριστός Αμπιάτ!
Ρουμάνικο κέικ. Ρουμάνικο κέικ να συσκευάσει. Είναι η κόρη και ο άντρας. Ευχαριστώ πες. Ευχαριστώ. Να μάθουμε ελληνικά. Μiguel του δεν ξέρεις.
Να μας βάλει και κρασί. Πίνει το κρασί. Χριστός Ανέστη.
Adevărat înviat!
Să-l